morning! Ala. May biscuit pa sa labi ko. Ayan, ito ay ang aming day 2 ng aming tour dito sa Baguio. Baguio.
Right now.
Parang ano, Linyon Hill, pataas.
Dapat
Nakakahinga.
show mo sudan.
Oo nga, hindi ko na show. Sorry.
Later.
Later. Pagpa-uwi na.
Yes.
So we're ready again. Good morning, Kuya! My goodness! Para na sa ibang bansa. Ano masasabi ko? Bakit sad? Oo, ang ganda ng view, promise. Oo, super vlog. Say hello to my vlog!
Ano lang dapat? Usura ka lang. Yes. Sabi ko nga, color coordinated siya. Yan.
Monochromatic. Monochromosome.
Uy, magayon ano, alas lang.
Uy, magayon ka dito. Papiliksyon kita, alam.
Sir, pakatok ko sa ulo mo.
Sige, sana.
Alesa, iPhone. Ayun, ma'am, ma'am Estrada, okay lang. Sige lang, keep it up.
Kahit ko sa mag-ano dito.
Magayon pa yun. Table ba rin?
Oh! May talaga kagayon. Pero,
Next
pa.
Piling ako.
Ha?
Nag-zoom ko ulit mo dito.
Iyo.
Baka naman. Dali na.
Bailan, baka lang naman.
Mga days pa.
Correct ka.
Uy, magayon.
Opportunity ko dito kanina. Pero ako talaga sa sarumpun kay Pain 3 degree. Lagyan ko naman sa paso. Sino mo talaga yun? Eksena ka dyan. mag-uli ka na tama.
Sige po, sister, uwi na po kami bukas. Gusto hanggang 7 na lang tayo. Para diretso ka na Manila.
Diretso pa ba?
Baba ka na lang.
Pero malamig siya talaga, no? Maski mainit. Nasa na tayo? Sa Atok. Hi, Ma'am O. Bibili ka ba, Ma'am O? Video to, vlog. I-turn mo kami. Ito yung iyong hacienda. Luisita.
Saan kaya dito ang pectun niya?
Hindi ka kita mang sa bako mainit.
Ano ini, Ma'am? Succulent pa rin yun.
Oo, mga succulents nila.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look